Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. All right, guys. So another new low for Mullen, unfortunately. So let me just jump in the charts here to show you what happened. So yesterday, we were looking like we would have hold the new support at around 850. But as you can see here, guys, the stock dropped all the way down to 752, which is a new low for Mullen. We seem to be holding that level after market and pre-market. But what I want to see is for Mullen to at least get back up to the 10 cent, guys. That is where it needs to be because I think we have maybe 7 days left. If the stock remains below 10 cent, it's going to be delisted from the Nasdaq if it remains below 10 cent for 10 consecutive days. All right, so what are the possible um, positive thing that may be coming out for Mullen here now? So this came out yesterday to say this is from Clay. I don't want to mispronounce his name, Okabayashi, and this guy is the commercial account director at Mullen Automotive. So he's saying, excited to be heading to Anaheim next week for ACT Expo. I remember this expo starting out at the Ontario Convention Center before moving to the Long Beach Convention Center. Moved to sorry for the mispronunciation here, Anaheim this year for more space and still out of room. This will be fun. Excited to see old friends and colleagues. Who's heading to that location? Stop by, visit Mullen Automotive booth number 5221, May 1st to the 4th in that location. We provide EV fleet solutions. So this is kind of what he's saying will be happening. So yes, there seem to be exposure with regards to the vehicles at these expos, but I guess for investors like myself, what we want to see is news on deliveries. That is kind of what we want to see. But everything has to start somewhere, guys. They have to ensure that yes, the products are out there for people to see and for industries or people to start buying. So this is always where everything starts. So what happened with the stock yesterday? Let's take a look. So we fell almost 10% yesterday, guys. Pre-market we're up 2.5%. Sell off on the market cap, we're down below the 300 million. We're at 295. And the volume that came in, there was a lot of selling volume. So volume that came in at 405 million, the average is 258. So retailers are getting out of Mullen. In terms of the overall market, the TSX was flat, S&P flat, Dow flat. And in terms of the EVs, NIO fell almost 3%, Lucid up 7%, GM down 2%, Rivian flat, Xpeng almost 4% down. So overall, guys, was kind of a mixed bag with regards to the EVs on a whole, apart from Lucid. So if we look at the stock, are the options to see what possible could be happening with regards to open interest and calls. What came in yesterday was pretty good for Mullen in terms of call volume, 34,000. That's usually our high level. In terms of for this week, we're looking at call volume, open interest of 24,000. For next week, 21,000, and for the following week, 13,000. So call volumes or open interest still seem to be up there, but overall, guys, with all the hype that happened recently, we basically need to see some announcement from Mullen maybe David himself, saying that yes, we are, ramping up production. We are, going to be sending out some deliveries, or their, or that $10 billion deal. We haven't heard anything much about that. I saw a little something on maybe, I don't remember if it's Twitter or Reddit or whatever, with regards to Lawarence being hospitalized due to exhaustion, because I guess he was pretty busy with all the announcements, or someone was saying maybe he got food poisoning from all that stuff he ate at his birthday celebration. So I don't know, guys, but Lawarence has been quiet now. So, between David and Lawarence, we need to hear something positive coming out. All right, guys, so that's kind of what I have for you for today. So we just keep our eyes peeled. I'm hoping for big things for Mullen, between now and next couple of days to get it back above the 10 cent. And we want to not just get above the 10 cent, we want to hear about good stuff happening, because Mullen seemed to be doing all the right stuff in terms of getting the partnerships going out there. So we just want to see that come all together. All right, guys. So until tomorrow, this is what I have for you. So as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, guys.